bun with fire. Are you hungry? Because tonight we're going to have a burger. We're going to have a Behemoth burger fountain. It's a fountain from Hot Fireworks Complex. And there's your item number, the Hot 2575. Performance: fabulous gold showers with green pearls, gold and silver fountain, moving silver willows, or giant crackle with color sparks. That is a tasty burger. So let's have the Behemoth burger. Yeah.